Ever feel like you're chasing your tail with your finances? You meticulously track every penny, but your YNAB budget feels miles behind reality? Frustrating, right? Today, we're diving deep into the burning question: how long does it take for YNAB, you need a budget, to import those pesky transactions? Let's finally conquer this budgeting bottleneck. YNAB is a fantastic tool, no doubt. But its magic hinges on accurate, up-to-date transaction data. Manual entry? Forget it. We're talking about smooth, automated imports from your bank accounts. But how long does this crucial process actually take? Is it instant gratification or a waiting game? Now, let's get real. Import times aren't one size fits all. Several factors come into play. Your bank: some banks are lightning fast with data sharing, while others move at a glacial pace. Your bank's connection to YNAB: a strong, well-maintained connection between your bank and YNAB is key. The type of account: credit cards, checking, savings, each might have different import speeds. The volume of transactions: a single coffee purchase is quicker to import than a month's worth of online shopping sprees. YNAB server load: sometimes, YNAB servers experience higher than usual traffic, which can slightly delay imports. While pinpointing an exact time frame is impossible, here's a general idea. Immediate imports: you might experience near-instantaneous imports for some transactions, especially smaller ones or those from banks with strong YNAB integration. Within minutes, many transactions, particularly from major banks, should import within a few minutes. Within hours, some transactions, especially larger ones or those from smaller banks, might take a few hours to appear. Delayed imports: in rare cases, imports can be significantly delayed due to issues with your bank's connection, server load, or other unforeseen circumstances. So, what if your imports are lagging? Let's troubleshoot. Check your bank's connection. Review your bank connection settings within YNAB. Ensure the connection is active and that you've granted YNAB the necessary permissions to access your account data. Contact your bank. If you suspect an issue on your bank's end, reach out to their customer support for assistance. Refresh your account. Try refreshing your account within YNAB. This can sometimes kickstart stalled imports. Contact YNAB support. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact YNAB's support team. They have a wealth of knowledge and can assist with resolving import-related issues. Here are a few tips to optimize import speed. Schedule imports. YNAB allows you to schedule imports for specific times. This can help ensure your budget is updated consistently and efficiently. Minimize manual entries. Rely heavily on automated imports to reduce the need for manual data entry. Keep your YNAB updated. Ensure you're using the latest version of YNAB. Updates often include improvements to import speed and reliability. Import times can vary significantly, but by understanding the factors that influence them and implementing the tips we've discussed, you can minimize frustration and keep your budget up to date. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.